everybody. Happy Monday. We'll get to work on two Porsches, kind of different. This is a 2017 911, nothing serious. We're just doing an oil change, and customer brought his own exhaust that he wants to install. So we're installing this used exhaust. Just gotta take all this apart and install it. Well, the oil change is still draining. Always use a bucket. We always use a bucket of any type of supercars, any high-end cars. That way we know exactly how much we drain out and how much to put in. And then we are working on this RWB Porsche. Hey, how you doing?
Fire up.
It did fire up.
It did fire up, finally. Yeah, this problem, the customer drove this car, and when he parked at garage, shut down and done. No more. It's just a cranking but not fire up. And this is not original ECU, this is OEM Infinity ECU. They have a main, this mostly common problem from main relay, original one, but they have a problem with the main relay to ECU aftermarket. We just replace the relay and ta-da! Yeah, but look at this, guys. Can you recognize what car is it? 911 RWB.
911? 911.
Right. Crazy money. Little bit crazy money. Ding ding. Ding ding ding, customer came in. One more Porsche, but this is for end of this week. Let's talk about this car. How you like, Ilya? Yeah. This car, if I'm sure a lot of people know, this is one Japanese guy. He smoke a lot of cigarette, and when he smoke, he do some art. He say it's art, but for me it looks good. I'm not the fan of the wide body, but this wide body, I think it's finished that 911 properly. Of course, I better way keep the exactly original one condition without any fender cutting, but still looks cool. This is like a cool tour for this RWB, and many people excited when they do some that work, because this is the big show every single car when they start. I forgot his name. When he start car, do some fender rolling, right, installation, that body kit. This is his body kit. Looks good. Expensive car, and that color, this is my what I can say, it's the best color. It's beautiful red, and of course that car is properly finished inside and outside. This is 911 from our customer Mark 1. You can subscribe on his YouTube channel. You can see some cool things on his channel. And that car is no more 911 turbo and okay wide body. Well, let's start pull apart this beautiful, I don't know how is that color calling, Nardo gray, but it looks similar than Nardo gray.
Very similar.
Okay, first we need to raise this spoiler up. Then we need push and remove this guy. This guy, one side. And then we have a I believe two or four bolt. I think two bolt. The spoiler bolt. Then we remove the spoiler. Then we lift that up, that lid, and then we have access to this plastic cover with the third light. And then actually we have something around 10 screw. Oh, we need to remove this tail light and 10 screw all around, 20 T25 Torx. And then we can pull out the bumper, but first let's remove the spoiler. Okay, when the spoiler been removed, this is to bolt one more time over there. Then what we need to do, we need to pull out two. This is just like small wobble clip, two fan, cover 1, 2 fan, and then we have a 2 Torx T30 bolt over there to remove this rear under spoiler cover. We just need to gently push this cover up front, and then we can lift it up. Push, lift, and now we have access to the removal tail light. We need to remove 2 tail light, left and right, and then we can move that rear bumper, and we have access to the exhaust.
How's it going?
Yeah, well, bumper is out. Now it's time to remove exhaust. Exhaust system. This is like I like. Sometimes I like Porsche because here is the whole exhaust system. how is big?
Yeah. Think about a BMW.
Yeah, this like from front to rear. Same any engines from the front, but the supercar. Like crazy exhaust manifold, blah blah blah. But the Porsche always like that.
Just to show you what he's done.
Yeah, tail light, it's 2 extra bolt on the side, and bumper is out.
And this one, I believe, this is how you change the air filter also.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you need to pull out the bumper for air filter replacement.
And
here is the 4 bolt.
Here's the turbo.
Here is the turbo.
And there's a turbo. Woohoo! Muffler off.
Oh.
Look at the difference, guys. Look how thick and bulky the factory one is, and then the aftermarket one. I mean, yes, the customer got rid of the cats, so that's a lot lighter. The big muffler, no muffler, basically straight pipe. It does have a valvetronic system, which we have to add, but besides that, that's about it. And here's how everything looks. The turbo, whee! It works.
Well,
what do you think?
time to install back everything and outlining for valvetronic system.
System?
Okay. Well, bumper is already in. We done the vacuum line. This is vacuum line to valvetronic system, the solenoid over there. And now we just need to rewire. We install Caprista valvetronic system because the original one is broken. It happens, and it happens with the Caprista, with any another module all the time. But we do have Caprista, spare Caprista. We check, it's working, no problem. It's a brand new Caprista system. This is what we need to do. Just rewire, then install tail light, spoiler, cover, and bye bye. Of course, when we finish, we want to test how is the car.
If it goes wah or not wah.
Yeah, this RS5, we installed the mid pipe, just for mid pipe, a little bit, one more louder sound. I believe this is different muffler, right? Oh, some what?
These are 180 technology.
Let's say no name brand. And he wanted just more louder. Oh no, this is whole system, see? Yeah, okay.
So we just get rid of the secondary
and finally we start work on McLaren today. Engine installation. Installieren.
So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install these pipes right here. Customer provided us. These are by AWE Performance. So we'll be taking out these two, going all over here, and boom, over here. So that's the only factory piece that's left, besides the OEM cats are all the way up top. And then today,
Everything is already installed back, and now we can check how is the sound. Loud and smell.
Stinky.
Yeah, but it works. Capristo, thank you. Let's go to test drive.